Okay, question 10 tells us to find the value of the constant c and the roots of the quadratic equation if one root is 4 times the other. So again, we're going to be using that same formula, but we have to identify first a way of describing these two roots. So what we're told is if one root is r1, the second root is 4r1. Okay, so looking at our formula, we know that 10 is equal to the sum of the roots. So essentially that 10 is 5r1, which means that r1 must be 2. And given that, that must mean that r2 is 8. So c then would be 2 multiplied by 8, which would be 16. Looking at the next part, we have to identify the sum and the product of the roots of the following quadratic equations, and this is where we have to remember that in order to use our formula, we have to have questions where we just have x squared, and with 1 as the coefficient, so no other number as the coefficient of the x squared. So in order to do it, we have to first divide across by that 8, and we get 1/4 x minus 3 over 8 is equal to 0, and it means that the sum is actually minus 1/4, and the product is going to be minus 3 over 8. Okay, similarly for the next one, we are first going to divide across by 3 to give me 5 over 3x minus 4 equals 0, and I can do my sum as being minus 5 over 3 and my product as being minus 12.